Khan back into the attack with 4 overs left to go. He'll be bowling to Gordon Greenwich.
And a big appeal there for LBW's gone. Imran strikes with the first ball of his new spell. Perhaps Gordon Greenwich, LBW.
Imran Khan is the bowler. He's bowling to Fowler.
And the first wicket down. Imran Khan, the great Pakistan all-rounder, has combined with Anil Dalpat to take the first wicket out of Graham Fowler.
And what a superb catch.
And right on line.
He's bowled him. Thompson going for the big one, clean bowled. Oh, he's bowled him. That's hit the leg stump.
And knocks off stump right out of the ground.
Solidly held that. Beautiful boundary.
Oh, that's a big shot. It's hit high in the air, going down towards extra cover, and they won't get that one. Into the crowd. What a shot. That's 6. Is it that miles? That has gone miles. It is a huge 6.
Glorious stroke there from Imran Khan.
Another 6 or 2. Is it that miles? That has gone miles. It is a huge 6. Way over the top of the heads of the crowd, down a deep mid-wicket. Recommend to Imran. Oh, that's a big shot. It's hit high in the air, going down towards extra cover, and they won't get that one. Into the crowd. What a shot. That's 6. Imran hit that beautifully. Went miles up in the air.
Oh, that was a beautiful delivery, and it's given a wide. Given a wide by the umpire, and Imran can't believe it. Delivering such a brute of a delivery.
Imran's got him, cleaned them up in the 43rd over. A great victory for Pakistan.
Nick that, and he's out, caught behind.
Bowling! Wow, what a finish!
Forward edge, and taken at first slip by Javed.
It's the edge, he's gone! Yes, a beautiful catch! This time he could be gone. Javed, he doesn't miss many.
And it's bowling quite quickly. And he's nicked it, he's gone, he's out, caught behind.
Oh, well bowled. Lovely change of pace. Beaten by the change of pace. Colour, the fingers rolling over the top.